Hi friends, probability part number 2. Die or dice. Die is singular, dice is plural. So we will see the total number of outcomes for the die or dice. So number of die or dice. Here 1, 2, 3 and up to n die are there. So total number of outcomes or number of outcomes will be like this. For 1 die 6 outcomes, for 2 die 36 outcomes, for 3 dice to 16. Similarly, for n die 6 to the power n, total number of outcomes will be there. So general formula for finding the total number of outcomes of n die is 6 to the power n, where n is the number of die. Okay, this is very important. So please remember, here 6 to the power n is the general formula to calculate the total number of outcomes for the dice or dice. Okay, so we will see here, for one die number of outcomes will be 6, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and 6. So totally how many are there? 6 outcomes are there. So here 2 3 5, I have written here 2 3 5 are prime numbers, 4 6 are the composite numbers, 1 is neither prime nor composite. As you know, prime number is nothing but any number is going to have exactly two factors are called prime numbers, or a number which is divisible by 1 and that number itself is called prime number. Composite number means a number which is not a prime number is called composite number, or you can say a number which is having 3 or more than 3 factors. Okay, so that is composite number. So one is neither prime nor composite. One more you have to remember, 0. This 0 is also neither prime nor composite. Okay, so next page we will see, my dear students. Now for 2 die or 2 dice, total number of outcomes will be 36. That is, I have written here 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 1 comma 5 1 comma 6 and so on. I have written here 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6. So these are all the 36 outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 6, 36 outcomes are there. So you can go through this. So this is very important. Okay, so one example I will consider to understand you. So example, a single die is thrown. How many die? Single die means only one die is thrown. What is the probability of getting prime number and composite number? Already we know that probability P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. For a single die, as we learned, formula 6 to the power n, that is 6 to the power 1 means 6. Total number of outcomes will be 6. So outcomes of single die is 6. So that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6. Okay, now prime numbers are 2 3 5 and composite numbers are 4 6. So favorable to become a prime number in a single die are 3. To become a composite number are 2, because in all 6 outcomes only 2 are the composites and these 3 are the prime numbers. Okay, so we will see the probability here. So my dear students, probability of prime number is equal to 3 by 6, because total number of outcomes will be 6, so that will be in the denominator, because, and this is the favorable 3, 2 3 5 are the prime numbers, 2 3 5 are the prime numbers. So 3 by 6 is 3 1s are 3 2s, 1 by 2 you can write. Similarly, probability of composite number can be written as 2 by 6, because only 2 composite numbers are there, that is 4 and 6. So you can take 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 I can write, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is very important. Similarly, you can remember, my dear students, 2 dice, one blue and one grey, are thrown at the same time. This you can do the homework. Okay, so at the same time, write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12, less than or equal to 12. So I will give the meaning of this one. So 2 dice means how many outcomes? 36 outcomes will be there, and appearing on the top. So 2 dice will be there like this. After throwing these 2, suppose it may be 1, it may be 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So here we need what? 8. We need 39 less than or equal to 12. So less than or equal to 12, in this it will come 1 comma 2. Okay, so that I have written here. See, in previous page all 36 outcome will be there. So 8 means what? See here, 4 plus 4. If you add these two, you will get 8. 3 plus 5, you will get 8. So like this you have to find out. So how many are there? Divided by 36 you have to write. That will be the answer. Okay. Similarly 13. 13 means 6 plus 5. 11 will you get? No. Here 6 plus 6, 12. Here also 5 plus 6. So no, like this outcome will be there. No event will be there. I mean here 6 comma 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 is the highest one. So 13 will not be there. So if it is not there, it is not possible means 0. 0 by 36. 0 by 36 nothing but 0 is the answer. Okay. Next, in third one they told less than or equal to 12. Correct. So less than or to 12 means if you add here, highest is 12, less than is 11. So up to 1 plus means all are the outcome, means 36 by 36. That is 1 is the answer. So you can write that one. Okay. So here you can take like this. So you have to make the sum 8. They may ask for 10, 11, anything. Okay, 8, 7, less than 5, less than 5, less than or equal to 6, like that. Any may they ask for the 2 dice. So always total number of outcomes will be 36, my dear students. Okay, so you do this homework, and if you like this video, share it, like it. Okay, thank you.